This little bottle of water can mean the difference between a great presentation and disaster. Hi, I'm Paul Barton from Phoenix Public Speaking with today's tip. You know, it's natural when you're speaking to get dry mouth. Sometimes you have a coughing fit that just seems to come from out of nowhere. If you just have a little bottle of water, doesn't need to be big because all you need is a little sip. And little is easy to hide, not be distracting. Warm or room temperature water is best. Cold water can tighten up your vocal cords, but all you need is that little sip to keep on going, finish your presentation. The alternative, if you don't have water, somebody's now got to go run and find it. That's a mess. That can turn a great presentation into disaster. For more tips, tricks, and techniques, visit our website, phoenixpublicspeaking.com. Hey, you're going places. Let us help you get there faster than you thought possible.